Nasal strips. Nasal strips, or nasal dilator strips, are harmless and inexpensive. It is a type of adhesive bandage, with embedded plastic ribs, that is applied across the bridge of the nose and side of the nostrils, to assist in keeping the airway open. You can apply these nasal strips across your nose at bedtime, to help to open up the nasal passages. It is used as an aid to reduce congestion, or to prevent snoring. They are a drug-free method to maintain airway. It helps to reduce snoring loudness and improve the quality of sleep. A variety of different surgical procedures are also available to eliminate or reduce snoring. Try the more conservative steps first, before considering surgical procedures to alleviate snoring. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.